I'm back with another video. This part 3. The wheels are sprayed. I clear coat them with Rust-Oleum clear coat. I didn't record that part of it, but I do have some little areas on each rim that need to be sanded down and sprayed again, but I ain't worried about it. I'm not a professional painter, so they look good enough right now to mount up on the Monte Carlo and see how the Monte Carlo look with the new color rims. Rose gold on a black Monte Carlo. So let me get started. Hey guys, this is what it look like now. In a few minutes, it will have that totally different look. So let me get started. All right, guys. This last part of the video, I did all the steps, and this is the outcome of what my Monte Carlo look with the rose gold or copper rims. And I want everybody to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Do they like it or not? Now the rims are not sprayed perfect because I'm not a professional painter, but they came out pretty good. Some little things around here, I can rub that off, but for the most part, that's what it looked like with the copper rims. The Camaro SS rims, sprayed copper. Yep, that's what they look like. I'm gonna get some driving footage later on so you can see how it look when I'm driving with the copper rims on. For right now, thanks for watching, and keep giving me thumbs up. I will keep coming with new content and new videos. I'm out.